You're an expert in Microsoft Excel, but how can you make money with it? Well, I've been in your shoes, so I understand where you're coming from. When I uploaded my first Excel video, I wasn't thinking about money. It was just a basic tutorial how to use VLOOKUP. No fancy editing, no mic. Just screen recording and my voice. But within 2 weeks, it had 2,000 views. Not viral, but solid. That's when I asked myself, can I actually earn from this? So I researched. I learned that monetizing Excel tutorials is more than just turning on AdSense. In fact, ads are the smallest piece of the pie. Here's what I discovered. 1. Affiliate links. I added links to Excel courses, template packs, and even my microphone. People clicked. I earned $30 in 1 week. 2. Sell templates. I created a budget tracker and linked it below the video. Instant passive income. Simple spreadsheets turned into digital products. 3. Freelance leads. A viewer DM'd me. Can you build this for my business? That one message turned into a $500 project. So here's the deal. You've got 3 paths to income with your Excel channel. But you need to think like a business owner, not just a content creator. Now let's talk about how to monetize your Excel channel step by step. Whether you've got 0 subscribers or 100,000, these tips will work. First things first, aim for 1,000 subscribers. It's the key to unlocking monetization features on various platforms. Once you hit that, you'll be able to turn on ads. It's a great start. But it's just the beginning. To maximize your earnings, you need to diversify your income streams. Here's a simple formula for success. Valuable content plus an engaged audience equals money. Let's break that down. For valuable content, focus on 2 things. 1. Nailing the tutorial. Make sure your explanations are clear, step by step, and easy to follow. Your goal is to become the go-to person for Excel help. 2. Adding value. Go beyond the tutorial, share tips, best practices, and real-life applications. This establishes you as an expert and builds trust. Now let's talk about the second part of the formula, an engaged audience. Here's how you get it. 1. Be consistent. Post regularly so your audience always has fresh content to learn from. 2. Encourage interaction. Ask questions, respond to comments, and run polls. Build a community of Excel enthusiasts. And 3. Don't forget the algorithm. Use tags, descriptions, and titles that help your videos get discovered. Think about what people search for and use those keywords. Finally, let's talk about the money. With a thriving community, you're ready to monetize. Remember my 3 streams of income: affiliate marketing, selling templates, and freelance work. To take your earnings to the next level, though, you need to promote your services. Include calls to action in your videos and pin comments. Let your audience know what you offer and how they can access it. Plus, consider running targeted ad campaigns to reach even more Excel users. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning your Excel expertise into a thriving business. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and watch your Excel channel flourish. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.